Hello, welcome and thanks for choosing this video course. In this video, I'll be talking about how to raise fast cash. These days, it seems like everyone needs more cash. Unemployment is skyrocketing, especially in the United States. The economy is poor and finding a job in this market is harder than ever. Fortunately, there's one way to make quick money that doesn't require you to have an extra outstanding resume or any type of cash investment or any extremely specialized skills. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a decent grasp of the internet marketing operation. The following video series assumes you don't have a mailing list, don't have a lot of capital, and you don't have a lot of time. And you'll be given top 4 ways to raise emergency cash quick: JV brokering, freelancing, sell your stuff, brokering solo ads. First of all, JV brokering. JV stands for joint venture. As a JV broker, you're a connector. You connect people with products or services to people who have customers, subscribers, and traffic, and you take a percentage of the revenue created from that connection. Being a JV broker can be very advantageous. You don't need your own product, customers, or a mailing list. You don't need a fully automated website with all the works. You don't need to purchase anything. All you need to do is learn how to locate complementary businesses, introduce them to each other, and negotiate a deal between them. You become the middleman. For doing this, you get a percentage of the sales. Often a JV broker will be hired by a business that has either a product, service, or a customer base that could be better monetized. That business owner will be seeking partners who have a customer base that's targeted to their product or service. Likewise, the person or business with a customer base will be seeking products and services related to their customers' interests so they can market them to their customers. And this is where a JV broker comes in. You'll be hired by either of these two partner types in order to connect them with each other to create successful and profitable joint ventures. And upon successfully bringing both sides together, you'll be paid a pre-negotiated percentage of sales. Freelancing. Now, what's freelancing? Freelancing's probably the best way you can make some fast cash online. A freelancer sells skills and services online. It requires virtually no setup at all. As a freelancer, you don't have to spend any money to make money. Finding work is pretty simple unless you're expecting to get paid $100 an hour, and most people have some skills that can translate into cash. Skills like writing, designing, voiceover, and more. Later on in this video, I'll be teaching you a couple of ways you can become a freelancer, and you'll be surprised at the amazing possibilities and potential you can sell your skills and services online for that quick cash you can't wait to make. Sell your stuff. I'll be teaching you how to make money by selling your stuff on the internet. I bet you've heard of eBay, right? eBay.com is one of the largest e-commerce sites around. It's an online auction and shopping website in which people and businesses buy and sell a broad variety of goods and services worldwide. This video series will guide you through step by step to sign up on your own eBay account, teach you what to sell, and also how to sell them for good money. Brokering solo ads. First of all, let me explain to you what a solo ad is. A solo ad is a form of advertisement that's sent out to an entire portion of an email subscriber list. The process is pretty simple. Some internet marketers will accept payment in exchange for sending an email you have written to their mailing list. People buy solo ads to either make sales, collect emails or names to build your own list, or do both. And as a solo ads broker, your job is pretty similar as a JV broker. You're connecting a particular party who's looking to advertise its product or service to a list of subscribers, together with another party who has an existing relevant mailing list with subscribers that are potential buyers. This video series will teach you how to find clients and connect to solo ads, vendors, as well as giving you a list of websites that you can join to find clients. Ultimately, this video series is specially designed for people like you, people who need money now and can't wait for some business opportunity to work itself out. With that being said, let's get into the substantive content. In the next hour and a half of this video series, you'll learn great ways to make money online in a short amount of time and without risking any large investments in the process. But remember, always keep a cool head, stay calm, and focus on execution and less on your problems.